All right, bonjour. Here in the old motor garage, changing the oil to the Africa Twin. I'm going to do two things I'm going to walk you through. One is I'm going to change the chain and the sprockets, of course, because you're always supposed to do that even if they're not worn out. I'm going to change the motor oil. So I've drained the motor oil. There's to change the motor oil and change the chain. Here we go. The next thing is to get this thing off, which is the oil filter. Oh God. Oh. So this isn't coming off. Oh. So what we do, take a screwdriver, rusty hammer, and you think about it for a second. It needs to come this way. And it's loose. Oh, oh, so good. So while that's draining, to get to the chain, I got to take this plastic cover off, and we shall see. I just take the whole shifter off. I think that's the easiest way. Michael Johan.
Hello. Oh, there she is. Looks so good. So pretty.
We have a special guest, Michael Johan from Germany.
Hi.
Remember him?
You're recording?
You're recording.
Ah, so good.
I'm making a how to not video.
How to not do it?
Yeah.
So what are you doing?
I've got the oil coming out. I'm going to remove this cover. I'm going to cut the chain off.
The oil looks very dark. No, actually it's not that
Not too bad. Yeah.
No,
It's way before the interval.
yeah, that's good. Have you heat up the motor before?
You're supposed to, but I didn't.
Okay. Fuck, you bought a gun?
No, I have guns. That's a pellet gun.
Yeah, already.
Yeah.
Hey, you have a new Denali light.
No, it's just a new lens.
It's just a light. So good. So nice to work on a lift
Stand, yeah.
Oh, Meredith is so dangerous. Hey, it's high now.
This one has been like 10,000 miles. I was off alignment, so I ruined the chain.
Ah, I see. I got you.
Yeah, but
So, and how do you clean the chain always?
I'd clean it a lot. Yeah, you just keep the dirt off of it.
And how did you do it?
Wipe it with a towel.
That's it?
And brush sometimes. Yeah.
Okay. And for how long can you use it?
I had a chain last me almost 25,000 miles.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But you have to always adjust, right?
Mm-hmm.
A lot?
No. Every 3,000 miles.
It's a close to one.
It's closed. Yeah.
How do you get through it?
I'll show you.
Ah! No, that is cheating.
This is not cheating.
Bike looks good.
Such a fucking mess.
Brilliant. Dankeschön.
Darling.
Darling, Dankeschön.
Angle grinder.
So you're now wondering. Aha!
Uh-oh. Can you take it out of gear now?
No.
Yeah. Anyway. And then I take this off. Ooh, that's got some play. So, put it in gear. not too worn. Clean the majority of the shit out of there. Wipe her down. New sprocket. We counted it, so you count how many of these there are. So each one of these links, you count each one, how many there are.
This length.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, that's
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. See?
Yeah. Don't lose count.
Oh my god.
Go ahead.
Uno, dos, tres. You're kidding.
Count, no, count
You're
it.
joking.
I know. Swear to God. You have to cut the new chain to the same size.
This is the original one.
Yeah, but it's got extra links.
Aha! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 61. 61.
See? It's the same as me. Okay. I need to cut. Okay. Now, maybe we need to cut more. Oh, son of a bitch. I think I need to cut more. Okay, next we have a chain. So this probably isn't the right way to do it, but this is the way I do it.
What is the right way?
I don't know. If I knew, I'd be doing it. So it's Christmas Eve. I mean, no, it's Christmas Day. And I am, oh shit, making a mess. Just finishing up. Got the brakes, rear brakes changed, new chain put on, and I got a oil filter on there, so I'm just finishing up the oil. And I need to pack still. It's getting late. And then I'm going to put the bike in the back of a truck because it's just going to burn miles, and my friend Michael is going to Las Vegas, so works out well. So let's just wrap up here. So the bike takes 4.3 US quarts. How many ounces is 0.3 quarts?
That would be 9.6 fluid ounces.
9.6 fluid ounces. Come to this handy dandy, close enough for government work. Oh, it's raining. All right, so bike is set. Say hi, Meredith.
Hi, Meredith.
Did you have a nice time?
It was lovely.
Look how pretty you look.
Thank you, honey.
We stayed in here. We should jiggle the handle.
Alrighty.
Okay, vámonos.
Alzi.
All right, so here in Needles, California, gonna do the BDR with a couple of African twins. That's it's Chris and John, and they ride Africa twins. Let's go check it out. Coming down in the snow, it's super sketchy. Check this out. Not much traction. That's Chris. He made it down. So we're on the California BDR with Chris and Joe, and we had it flat. I think your tube's screwed up.
I can figure out where, I see where it's leaking.
You see the leak? I've never seen that before. I mean, that's not, it's safe to say that's not a slow leak. That's not a slow leak, is it?
Yeah, are you sure all the air's out of it? See if we can patch it?
I've got some duct tape. Oh, here's the famous comment you get is like, see, you should have had tubeless, bro.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, it twisted. Let's check to see if there's anything else going on in here.
Oh, I've done this before. You change the tire and you don't take the thorn out.
Yeah.
And you put the new tube in and get the hole in the exact same spot.
Exactly.
I'm buying one of these. He sold me on it today.
Yeah.
Have you seen the Rabaconda tire changers?
Here comes the satisfying part.
Or the...
Not so satisfying part.
Okay,
All right.
give it a whirl. Look at that bird right there.
So Joe,
Yeah,
where are we?
UB40 Creator.
Are you impressed?
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
Let's go check it out. We're running out of daylight, but that's not a big deal. We have headlights, and they're LED, so they won't burn out. Check out the Uhibi crater, Death Valley.
Oh, it's not UB40?
Ubihibi.
UB-GBs?
Ubihibi. Are you shy?
Chris wants to go do the hike right now.
Yeah, I want to come back and do the hike.
You know what they call it, right?
Uh-uh.
The rim job. Selfie.
The closed ones, right? It wasn't on it, so it's open.
Yeah.
It wasn't.
Open and motorcycle board.
Well, different. Yeah,
They listed.
We got blown out of the racetrack, but it's pretty nice here in back. Can you see? Over here. It's pretty nice. We're up on this pass. It's getting a little sloppy. We're headed this way. There's Joe. Joey's gonna take our picture.
Okay, he says we're good.
Let's go party. Okay, so in where am I? Big Pine, California. Just finished riding. Did a lot of videoing, not a lot of talking, but today I'm gonna head home. 475 miles on the road, and a little bit of it's gonna be with Chris and Joe, but most of it's gonna be just grinding it out. Gonna do miles. Check out the bike. Big Pine. Modal.